Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Netbeans with your project open. This saves time and avoids context switching. First, confirm the project type. Netbeans handles Java SE, Maven, and Gradle differently, so make sure you know which. Next, verify the active JDK and build path. Mismatched JDKs break compilation. Once that's settled, decide whether to add the library to the IDE libraries, the specific project, or as a module dependency. Doing that now sets the right path for the next steps. Now perform the actual add. For ant/Java SE, right-click the project, open Properties, select Libraries, and click Add jar/folder to include your jar or folder. For Maven projects, open POM, XML or use dependencies, then add the group ID, artifact ID, and version. Netbeans resolves it from repositories. For Gradle, edit build. Gradle under dependencies and sync. After adding, clean and build the project so Netbeans downloads, links, and validates the library. That confirms integration before you run code. Finish by verifying the library is usable. Build the project and run a small class that imports a key type from the library. Compilation success proves it's linked. If you see unresolved symbols, check the class path, dependency scope, compile versus test, repository access, and JDK compatibility. Mismatches are common culprits. If problems persist, clean the project, restart Netbeans to clear caches, and inspect the output window for specific errors before changing configurations. This saves time and isolates the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.